Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to set the camera timer on iPhone. So here I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and to set the camera timer, first I will go to the camera app, and you can set it for photos, portrait or spatial. I will go to photo, and first just swipe up, and here swipe to the right, and this is the camera timer icon. Tap on it. Now the timer is off, and you can set to 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Choose whatever you want. I will choose 5 seconds. And as you can see now, the camera timer icon is yellow. I will exit, and now to take a photo, just tap here, and in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the photo was taken. Okay. Now to turn it off again, swipe up, swipe to the right, go to the camera timer icon, and tap here on off, and that's all. And as you can see now, the icon is not yellow anymore. So it is very easy in my opinion. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.